Okay, so what I told you, this 20 is also same and this 210 also same. But I am having a 5 rupee coin, children. See here, it's a 5 rupee coin. You can able to see this, I think so. It's a 5 rupee coin. And this is the back side of 5 rupee coin. Okay. And this is a one type of 5 rupee coin. And a new type, that is like a golden color. New 5 rupee coin. Okay, see, you can able to see is you can able to see this. See here. One is like a normal metal. One is like a gold color. You can find a 2 5 rupees coin. Okay. Okay, so what I told you, this is a one single 20 rupees also available. But if to have a 2 10 rupees, it's also 20 rupees. Same like I am having a 2 5 rupee coin. When adding a 2 5, how much? 10, isn't it? So I am having a 10 rupees. I am having a 10 rupees, isn't it? So I am having how much? I am having a coin, a 2 5 rupees coin. When to put together how much coin, how much rupees I have in my hand? I am having a 10 rupees in my hand. Okay. So this is also 10 rupees, and when I am putting a 2 5 rupees coin, that also I am having a 10 rupees note. So totally 110, 210 and a 310, so 30. 110, 210, 310, so 30 rupees. So I am having how much rupees in my hand? 20 plus 10, 30. So I am having a 30 rupees. I am having a 30 rupees. Okay. So in the 30 rupees, I am just taking a 110, 210, 20 rupees. So 110 rupee note and 2 5 rupees coin. Okay. So have it, please. Please have it. I am having a 110 rupees note and a 2 5 rupees coin. You just keep it on your hand. Okay, just have it. Okay. Okay, so how much you have? 20 rupees. 110 rupees. For the reference, I am just writing 110 rupees note and 2 5 rupees coins. Okay, for the just now only we are starting now, so we just go, we will see it like elaborately, don't get confused. Okay, so we have a totally 20 rupees note. In that 20 rupees, 10 rupee note, one single 10 rupees note and a 5 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin. Okay, okay, now you are going, which shop you are going like to go to? Okay, let's we go for a grocery shop to buy the vegetables. Okay, so I am going to buy some vegetables. I am going to write a V1, V2 and V3 because I am going to write it on a single number. As a, for example, vegetable V1 5 rupees, V2 3 rupees. Now the market value of a vegetable market is you can get it vegetables like in 5 rupees or 3 rupees. No, of course you can't get it, isn't it? So that is the reason I am just writing V1, V2. So you don't get confused. If I am writing onion is 10 rupees means, so we all say what, isn't it? Okay, so I am just going to write a vegetable 1, vegetable 2 and a vegetable 3. So cost of a vegetable 1 is 5 rupees. And the cost of vegetable 2 is 5 rupees. And the cost of vegetable 3 is again 5 rupees. So totally how much rupees? Totally 15 rupees you have. Okay, children. So how much amount we have? 20 rupees we have, but not in a note mode, isn't it? So 1 10 rupee note, 2 5 rupee coin. So cost of a vegetable 1, 2 and 3 put together, what is the total? You get it 15 rupees. That's a total. So grocery man will ask you, isn't it? So the shopkeeper will ask you, give the 15 rupees note. You have a 30 rupees note. It's enough. It's enough to buy. Sorry, you have a 20 rupees. It's enough to buy all three vegetables. Yes, yes. We have a qualification to get, isn't it? Yes. So you will give how much rupees you will give? You will give 1 10 and 1 5 coin. 1 5 rupees coin, isn't it? 1 10 and 1 5 rupee coin you will get, and the balance 1 5 rupee coin you will keep it in your hand. Will keep it in your hand. How much you are going to give to your shopkeeper? 1 10 rupee note and 1 5 rupee coin, because we have how much coin? We have a 2 5 rupees coin. So don't need to give all this 5 and again you are going to get again 5. Don't need, because we have a 5. So just put it a 5 rupees coin and give it to the shopkeeper. You don't give the balance 5 rupee coin, just keep it on your hand. In case if you have a two 10 rupee note. Instead of a 2 5 rupee coin, you have a 2 10 rupee note. So how much you will give? You will give it, take a, if you tear the paper and give it? No, you can't. Suppose we can't do that. So you are giving the 20 rupees note. So he will give the balance 5 rupees. Okay, children, you got to understand. If you have a 2 coin means you give it 1 coin. Okay, you don't need to get any balance. In case if you have a 2 10 rupee note or a or a one single 20 rupees note means you just, what it is, you just giving the note and get the balance. Okay, so we have a lots of monies and lots of coins, isn't it? So not only if I'm just saying if you give a 20 rupees note, the balance will be give the 5 rupees means yes you will get it, but you will get confused when it comes to the real time. When you are meeting the situation in your real time, definitely you will get confused, because so the teacher used to usually say that's a 20 rupees. No, children will get confused. 10 rupees notes also available, 20 rupees also not available, and suppose it's a 5 rupees coins also available, isn't it? 5 rupees coins also available, and a 1 rupee coins is also get available. When are clever children, they will understand, but when they are moderate. So this is like this explanation. Of course, I think this explanation will help you to met it in your real time example. So 1 rupee coin you have. So I am having a 1 rupee coin. If I am having a 10 1 rupee coin, that is also considered as a what? 10 rupees note. If it is 12 rupees means you give 1 10 rupees and 2 1 rupee coin means a 12 rupees get over. Don't give every coin and again don't get the balance, children. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the some big number like a 50. Okay. Next we are going to see the problems which having we are going to spend the 50 rupees. So we have spend at 10 rupees and 20 rupees. Now it's a time to spend it for a 20 rupees. Sorry, 50 rupees. It's a time to spend our 50 rupees. Okay. So how much of money you have? 50 rupees you have. You want money? You want money to have? Keep it. Okay. So this is then 50 rupees. So how much money you have? 50 rupees. So in a 50 rupees, I am giving a whole amount. I am not splittering like a 10 rupees. I am just giving a one full 50 rupees a note. One full 50 rupees note. Okay. Okay. Now where you like to go? Or you like to go some PlayStation? Yes, of course. Okay. So we are going to the PlayStation. Okay, so the PlayStation normally, usually it will be costly, isn't it? So I'm just writing P1 and P2 and P3. Okay, so there are a P1, P2 and a P3. So these are a different type of games. Okay, these are the different types of games, P1, P2 and P3. So they have a menus. The P1 cost is 50 rupees. P2 cost is 30 rupees. P3 cost is 20 rupees. These are the sample price. Okay, don't get confused at a real time. To get a good explanation, I'm just writing. So you can't go for any PlayStation by having a single 50 rupees. It's not enough. Okay. Okay. So the PlayStation, like a game 1 50 rupees, game 2 30 rupees and game 3 20 rupees. Okay, so totally how much in your hand how much money you have? Only a 50 rupees you have. If you are mostly the well-versed or the most person will like only the costly games. Okay, it will be in a more interesting than other usually. Okay, so P1 cost is a 50 rupees. P1 cost is a 50 rupees. So when you have a single 50 rupees note, in your hand, you can the cost of a game 1 is 50 rupees. So if you want to play P1 means you have to give the whole amount to play one single game. But if you have another choice also, what is the choice? P2 30 rupees, P3 20 rupees. When you put together what? 30 plus 20, it's a 50. Isn't it? It's a 50, but you can play a 2 games, P2 and P3 games. Okay, these are the option to think, not only to know about the marks, it also help us to think in a real time. Okay, but you are going for a 50 rupees of P1 game itself means, so the 50 rupees you are giving to the shopkeeper. How much the balance you want to give it? Tell me. You are having a 50 rupees in your hand. You are paying a P1 game. Cost of P1 game is a 50 rupees. Then how much the balance will be? If you know the balance, how much? You just comment it. Okay, I don't going to tell you. Okay, next another 50 rupees. But this time the 50 rupees not going to be a whole amount. I am showing to some splitted 220 and 110. See here. 20 plus 20, 40. 20 plus 20 and 40. And I am adding one more 10. Okay, one more 10. I have a 50 rupees. Okay, I have a 50 rupees. 220 rupees I have. See here. 120 rupees and a 220 rupees. And again I am just giving the 110 rupees. So how much I have in my hand? I have a 50 rupees in my hand. Not as a whole amount. Not as like this. Not like a whole price. I am having a like this 220 rupees and 120 rupees. But the cost is same. But the money value is same. So how much I have? 50 rupees I have. So 220 rupee note. And 110 rupee note. These are the note, 220 rupees note and 110 rupee note. Okay. So I am going, this time we are going to travel on a different ways. For to make more interest, I am just going to draw a route and I am going to explain you. This is to make more interest on sums. Okay. Okay, these are the routes. Your home is like this here. Your home is in. Okay. So you are from a home. This is a home. From a home you are going. This is in a grocery shop. For a G it's a grocery shop. PlayStation. Shopping mall. And pharmacy. Pharmacy means what? It's a medical shop, isn't it? You buy some medicine. Okay, your home. From you are traveling by having a how much rupees in your hand? 50 rupees in your hand. From a home you are traveling. You are traveling from a home and you are buying a grocery for a 5 rupees. Okay. Then again you are moving and going to the supermarket, shopping mall. On the way of shopping mall, you are seeing some PlayStation and you are playing a game for a 10 rupees. After playing the game, again you are traveling and going to the shopping mall and you are buying some snacks for a 20 rupees. Okay, then your mom asks you to buy some medicine and again you are traveling. Again you are going to the pharmacy and you are buying some one tablet is for a 5 rupees. Again you are going to the home. Again you are going to the home. So when you are starting your home, how much rupees you have? 50 rupees, isn't it? How much rupees you have? 50 rupees you have. You are going to the grocery shop. How much grocery shop? In a grocery shop, 5 rupees. Then moving to the PlayStation, 10 rupees. Then again you are traveling to the shopping mall. How much? Again 20 rupees. Again you are going to pharmacy and buying some medicine for a pharmacy. 5 rupees. So totally how much rupees? 40 rupees. So how much balance you will get to your home? So this is what a question. So I think it will be very interesting to you. Okay. So your cost of all products, you're traveling to the grocery shop and spending 5 rupees and going to the PlayStation, again here you are spending 10 rupees, and going to the shopping mall and buying snacks for 20 rupees, and again you are coming to the pharmacy and buying a tablet for 5 rupees, and when you are going back to your home, how much as a balance you will get it in your hand? Of course you have a 10 rupees. 10 rupees will be the balance. Okay, let's redo some more problems like this. Okay.
Pebbles CBSE Board Syllabus.